What's up, guys? If you love cycling at night but hate fiddling with complicated mounts and screws, I have something special for you today. On Tech Product, we are highlighting the best rechargeable bicycle tail light to keep you safe and visible. This rechargeable bicycle tail light is a total game changer for your evening rides. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Rock Bros rechargeable bicycle tail light, you can immediately tell that it was built for people who want to spend more time riding and less time messing around with gear. One of the coolest things about this specific light is its innovative magnetic absorption design. Now, if you have ever struggled with tiny screws or messy double-sided tape while trying to put a light on your bike, you are going to love this. There are no tools needed at all. You do not have to be a bike mechanic to get this set up. The light just snaps firmly onto the rear of your bicycle with a very strong magnetic hold. It is incredibly simple for beginners who just bought their first bike, but even seasoned riders will appreciate how quickly they can snap it on and start their journey without any delay. You might be wondering if a magnet is really enough to keep a light on while you are riding, and that is a great question. The Rock Bros rechargeable bicycle tail light is designed with massive magnetic stability in mind, and the reverse can be set in 64 days. The reverse can be set in 64 days in mind. Even when you are riding on bumpy roads, over potholes, or through rough trails, the magnetic connection stays tight and secure. This is huge for your safety because the last thing you want is for your light to fall off in the middle of a dark street without you noticing. This design ensures that your light remains exactly where it should be, providing continuous visibility so that you are always seen by people behind you. Safety gets even better with the intelligent brake sensing feature. This is one of the most advanced parts of the Rock Bros rechargeable bicycle tail light. The light actually knows when you are slowing down. As soon as you hit your brakes and the bike starts to decelerate, the tail light automatically switches to a highlighted state. It basically becomes much brighter for about 1.5 seconds. This acts just like the brake lights on a car. It provides an immediate and effective warning to vehicles and other riders who are behind you. This extra bit of communication on the road ensures that everyone knows exactly what you are doing, which makes braking much safer in all types of traffic conditions. Another thing that makes this light so easy to use is how you control it. The Rock Bros rechargeable bicycle tail light offers multiple lighting modes that you can switch between with just a single click. You do not have to cycle through complex menus or hold down buttons for a long time. This simplicity is great when you are on the move and want to change your visibility level quickly. Whether you are riding under the bright afternoon sun or in the middle of a pitch-black night, you can find the right setting instantly. The light even comes with smart start and stop functions, which means it can turn itself on when it senses movement and turn itself off when you are parked. This is perfect for those of us who sometimes forget to turn our lights off, helping to save the battery for when you actually need it. To make things even more automated, it has day and night sensing capabilities. This means the Rock Bros rechargeable bicycle tail light can automatically adapt to the environment. If it gets cloudy or if you ride into a dark tunnel, the light understands the change in brightness and adjusts itself. You have 7 versatile lighting modes to choose from in total. This variety allows you to pick the best brightness and flashing pattern to suit your specific journey. Plus, it includes a windbreaker magnetic brake function that adds even more visibility and protection during your ride. This combination of features ensures that you stay visible from a distance, no matter what the weather looks like. The overall build is very compact and intelligent, making it a reliable companion for any cyclist. Because it is so small and sleek, it does not look bulky on your bike frame, yet it is powerful enough to handle serious commutes. By combining easy installation with responsive brake detection and customizable lighting, Rock Bros has created a tool that lets you focus entirely on the joy of riding. You can keep your eyes on the road and enjoy the breeze, while the tail light takes care of the illumination and warning functions for you. It really does make every journey a much safer and more professional experience. It is time to make sure you are seen on the road with the best gear possible. Check the price link in the description to see how you can get your hands on this amazing light. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful guides and the latest tech for your active lifestyle. Stay safe on your next ride, and we will see you in the next video.